So we're going to be making biscotti. Biscotti in Italian means twice cooked. So you start off and you make a sort of softer biscuit base, and then you slice them, and then we're going to bake them again, and they become nice and crunchy, and they're perfect for dipping into coffees and teas. Very traditional in Italy for Christmas time. And what we've got is the two different types of Cobnut, where we've ground them as if to the same texture as ground almonds, and then we've just toasted them and chopped them in half. So everything, it's an all-in-one recipe. So we've got flour, we've got golden caster sugar, a little pinch of salt, got the ground nuts, the chopped nuts. We've got some cranberries here. You can use any dried fruit. You could use apricots, figs, a little bit of orange zest going in. Orange and cranberry work really well together, and also with the nuts. It's worthwhile investing in one of these finer graters for these sorts of things, because otherwise you tend to get big long shreds of the zest, which isn't quite as nice as these tiny little fine sections. Just take that back so you don't want to lose anything. With a pinch of mixed spice, 2 pinches. We need 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. I tend to normally not measure, which is naughty, because with baking powder you should be precise. So there's a 1/2 and 1/4. And then we're going to beat an egg. In. Now, you can start off with a fork, but to be fair, honest, there comes a point where you have to get your hands dirty. With a lot of cooking and baking, you really just need to get the hands in, which I'll do in a second. If it feels a little bit dry, you can just add a little drop of milk. Let's see when we get in there. It's a really easy recipe, and they're great as gifts. You can bag them up as little presents for people come Christmas time. Okay, that's all coming together nicely. What you're going to do is you're going to end up with one big amount that we're going to roll out like a sausage shape. And the good thing about biscotti is that you don't have to be that precise. So they're not cut to a perfect shape. The idea is that they're kind of random in shape, which for a lot of people is the perfect recipe. So you can see there pretty much everything's come off the sides. When you first do it, you don't think that's going to happen, but it does. So going to get your baking sheet. Now we're going to make it into a long, any of these escapees, whether they're nuts or cranberries, we're just going to poke them back in at the end. This will spread when it starts to cook. In, and what you're going to do is we're going to cook that first, that'll spread, then we're going to slice it, and then the biscotti, the twice bake, we're going to cook it back in at a higher temperature. So the first bake is at 180 degrees, and that's going to be for about 25 minutes, and then later on we'll turn the oven down a little bit when we do the second bake. So the first bake of the biscotti is done. Take those out. those on here. And as you can see, so at the moment it's pale bake. It's going to cool, we're going to cut it into fingers, and we're going to do the second bake where they harden up. So these have come out of the oven, they've been cooled for a few minutes, and we're going to now cut them into little fingers, put them back on the tray, and they're going to have their second bake. Put those in at a lower temperature, 150, for another 15 minutes. The biscotti have now had their second bake. We'll take those out. Let's cool off on there. Got that lovely golden brown colour on them, and they'll harden up. The idea is they are a crunchy biscuit, as I said, to be dipped in things like Vinsanto or coffee.